If you recently opened a Wealthsimple checking account and want a physical debit card, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you exactly how to request one using the Wealthsimple app. The whole process only takes a minute, so let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your phone. Once the app opens, you will see all of your accounts on the home screen. Find your checking account and tap on it. This will take you to the checking account page, where you can see your balance and recent activity. Now, look in the top right corner of the screen. You will see a card icon. Tap on that icon to open your card details. On this page, you will see information about your debit card. If you have not already requested a physical card, you should see an option that says Request Physical Card. Go ahead and tap on that option. Next, Wealthsimple will ask you to confirm your mailing address. If the address shown is correct, tap Use this address at the bottom of the screen. If you would like the card sent somewhere else, select Send to a different address and enter the address you want to use. Before you continue, make sure the address is accurate. A wrong address could delay the delivery of your card. Once you confirm your address, that's it. Your request has been submitted. Wealthsimple will mail your physical debit card to you, and it typically arrives within 20 business days. One quick tip: if you do not see the option to request a physical card, make sure you're viewing your checking account and that your Wealthsimple app is updated to the latest version. And that is how to request a physical debit card for your Wealthsimple checking account. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.